At may
And there will
foul.
be a foul. Partner, one adjustment that Coach Robert Jaworski might want to make is that ito si Chris King. Hanggang ngayon, binabantayan si Jeff Ward. Halos hindi na makalakad dito si Jeff Ward.
Oh boy.
It may be better to have a local go on Jeff Ward. Now I don't think he can continue playing. Wala na.
Pero grabe ang kanyang talagang he
Yung
wants to
fighting
stay.
spirit.
Grabe.
Yung fighting spirit ni Jeff Ward. He's on the floor.
And may timeout na tatawag ang San
Halos
Miguel
hindi
Beer.
na niya kaya.
This is human drama. Well, babalik po kami. May timeout ang San Miguel Beer. An ending dito po sa ating knockout game. Abante ang Gordon's Gin ng 4 in the second overtime. Welcome back, Philippines. Noli Yala po kasama si Ginito Henson at si Jeff Ward patuloy na nangingisay sa sakit dun sa sidelines. Si Tignadises replaced him dito sa puntong ito. 3:01 remaining.
Partner, case of the cramps for Jeff Ward. At halos nga hindi na makalakad dito si Jeff Ward.
They need a stretcher.
Yes, I think they're gonna take him out.
Ganyang kasama. Because usually ang cramps, pag hinila mo yung binti, lumuluwag yung muscle. Pero yung kanya, sa sobrang dehydration at saka siguro sa sobrang pagod, hindi na makabalik yung muscle patungo dun sa And look at him. They're massaging his neck, his legs, both legs it appears now are suffering from the cramps.
At palagay ko, this is the curtains for Jeff Ward, and a stretcher now is being brought inside the stadium.
Pero tandaan natin, 4 lamang yung kinito. Asaytono has 2 free throws. If he makes both, San Miguel Beer is still in the thick of the fight here.
Totoo yan. This game is not yet over.
Except
although,
for Jeff Ward.
of course, yung handicap ng San Miguel Beer, alam natin ito si Chris King has been hot
Grabe.
towards the late fourth quarter at saka yung overtime period.
Grabe to.
Pero pare, pumapatay sa San Miguel Beer, hindi na si Chris King, kundi si Bal David. And David has also taken charge here. Take a look at our game summary. 9 deadlocks
Only.
sa larong ito.
Oh, pero lapit itong larong ito. And isang overtime na po tayo. 2 fallout, pero isang ilalabas na because of an injury here, si Jeff Ward.
At meron din silang dinadalang parang a stiffener.
Yes.
To be placed on the back of Jeff Ward. He is clearly in pain.
Yes.
At binigyan niya na ang lahat.
Well, si Jeff Ward really played hard. He scored a career-high 29 points dito sa larong ito. Previous to this, sabi mo nga, 28 ang kanyang best scoring output. Pero today talagang binuhos niya. 29 na puntos, 12 rebounds, 4 na sapal si Jeff Ward. And what a stand para dito sa import ng San Miguel Beer. Right now, it will be all Filipino para sa San Miguel Beer with 3 minutes and 1 second remaining. But of course, it's still anybody's game. Sometimes yung pure spirit, yan ang athleticism, yun ang nagdadala sa mga manlalaro.
Well, still a lot of basketball time to go. 3 minutes. Eto si Nelson Asaytono. Yung kanyang unang free throw. Alam po natin ito si Marlo Aquino with 5 personal fouls.
Si Art de la Cruz will be given the tough job perhaps of trying to check si Marlo Aquino or si Benny Cheng. Asaytono taking sure aim, makes both. At 2 abante ng Gordon's Gin. Ang dapat hindi mangyari sa Gordon's is to be overconfident with Jeff Ward out of the game. Chris King, laban kay Abuda, na-double team, he kicks it out. Benny Cheng, libre si Arencio.
Si Arencio sasaksak, subaksak na nga.
Oh! Pedro Arencio with his first 2 points in the second overtime. A total of 11 points para sa Arencio ng Gordon's Gin. Racela, nilabas kay Nelson Asaytono. Siya ang bubuhat dito sa koponan na to. 11 seconds sa shot clock. Racela nilaglag kay De La Cruz. Good shot mula kay De La Cruz.
Partner, the last time the PBA experienced a double overtime game was in December 15, 1995. In the finals game between San Miguel at Alaska.
And we're not discounting a third overtime dito kinito, although magagalit na yung mga anak ko. Samantala, may blocking foul laban kay Nelson Asaytono. At pang-anim na yan, partner ni Nelson.
And Nelson Asaytono will fall out of this game. Bukas na ang loob ng San Miguel Beer at wala na si Jeff Ward. At ngayon, makawala pa si Nelson Asaytono. And Bong Alvarez is being tapped. ang rebounding strength ng San Miguel Beer halos wala na.
Benny Cheng, yun ang nakita niya. He fished the last foul ni Nelson Aceitono. It was a good call.
Yes.
Si Aceitono medyo gumawi dun sa dadaanan ni Benny Cheng. At si Bong Alvarez checking in para kay Nelson Aceitono. So this is a very small lineup now para sa San Miguel Beer.
Exactly, and it is control of the boards that is the key. Ayan ang mangyayari ngayon. Gordon's Gin is going to dominate the boards with its big lineup.
2 minuto, 8 saglit po ang nalalabi. At kami patuloy po nagagalak na makasama kayo in the second overtime of the knockout game. 2 for 2 from the line si Benny Cheng. 4-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin as we go into the third last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Hope Luxury Cigarette. Racela, hinahanap si Alvarez. Siya ngayon ang kanilang tirador. Inside pass. Abuda takes a jump shot. Oh, this San Miguel team is gritty, Pinito. Talagang hindi pumapalag.
Well, talagang lumalaban pa. It's just a 2-point lead here for Gordon's Gin. Import or no import.
They have
Actually, both teams really, they have really played so well. Ito si Chris King. Kumakana pa.
balik sa apat ang abante ng Gordon's Gin. And Gordon's now trying to pick the spots na titirahin nila. Alvarez na double team.
Well, partner,
Sumaksak sa loob si Alvarez. Hapal ni Marlo Aquino.
and that's going to be the key play.
That may be a big play.
Might be it. And now Gordon's Gin is going to control this game until the end.
Gordon's Gin looking for a third straight appearance sa finals. They have never won the Commissioner's Cup. Marlo Aquino, nabitawan! Alvarez ngayon, binigay kay Bong Alvarez. Ay natin kay Art de la Cruz. Tuloy-tuloy si de la Cruz. Mintis ang layup. He probably, dapat inintayin niya na yung mga kakampi niya.
Well, nagbatali si Art de la Cruz that time, but not meant to be. And Gordon's Gin is just going to run the clock down, although there is still time for another possession for San Miguel Beer.
That much time remaining dito sa second overtime.
And it looks like San Miguel Beer is giving up. They're not even trying to foul.
3-point shot, Kapos.
An air ball.
33 seconds remaining. Ang San Miguel Beer still has one more full timeout. Itatawag na ngayon ni Coach Ron Jacobs. Huling hinga ng San Miguel Beer. And the celebration continues. Dito po sa Cuneta Astrodome. Bagamat hindi pa tapos ang ating laro, the Gordon's Gin fans are pretty confident that they have this in the bag. Kinito, apat ang abante nila with 33 seconds remaining. Pero kung ika nga itong mamang to, masusunod si Olsen Rosella, hindi siya ika nga tatalon sa kanyang vapor. He will continue to anchor this team.
Partner San Miguel Beer working on a big handicap. Wala na si Nelson Aceitono. Injured si Jeff Ward. Ito po ang ating game reset. At ang San Miguel Beer, just one team foul with 2 fouls to give before entering the penalty. And 33.2 seconds to go.
No matter what happens dito, Kinito, this has been a tremendous game. Talaga namang sulit na sulit, and ika nga walang dapat ikahiya ang kahit na nung kahit na sinong coach, kahit na sinong player. It was a tremendous game.
I think everybody is enjoying this game down to the last second.
33 seconds remaining. San Miguel Beer pumapalagpat. Ika nga habang bilog ang bula, may pag-asa. Racela, pumaporma ng 3. Walang titirahan. Abuda ay binalik kay Olsen Racela. No shooters para sa San Miguel Beer. Abuda, he will take a 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound ni Chris King.
That was the only option available for San Miguel Beer. And now Art de la Cruz giving up the foul. But a case of too late.
Art de la Cruz tatanggap ng foul. At yan ang ating VAT 69 player of the game. No other than the Flash. Baldavid, 16 points. 4 nakuha niya dito sa second overtime. 6 nakuha niya nung first overtime. A total of 10 points in both overtimes.
Ito si Marlo Aquino. The final slam dunk of the game. And Gordon's Gin will advance to play Alaska in a best-of-7 championship series for the second conference championship.
Gordon's Gin, 3 champions.